Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this braided crochet hair and I really love how it turned out. I'm definitely not a hairdresser, but it's super simple. I really love that it comes with a crochet needle because I always lose mine. I know some people might be leery of buying, different things offline like hair, but this product did not disappoint. I am so happy with how my hair came out. I just love it, the texture of it, the thickness of it. It's just really awesome, and it was a great buy. I would highly recommend this product to anyone. I love how it's braided at the top and then it has like the nice waves at the bottom. The color is so beautiful. I just love it. And the length, it's perfect. Not too short and not too long. So if you were a leery person like me, you can trust that this hair is definitely a good buy and you will love it. And even if it's your first time installing your own hair, you will definitely be able to do it. It's very simple. So I highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.